The letter T. T stands for turtle. The turtle talked to the turkey. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write the lowercase t. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up to the right to the top line. From that point, go down, retracing your line. When you get just below the dotted line, curve away and down to the right to make a smile. Pick up your pencil and cross your T about halfway between the top line and the dotted line. Write the letter T in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase T. It looks like a printed T that is slanted to the right. Put your pencil on the top line and draw a slanted line down to the baseline. Pick up your pencil and draw a line along the top line, centered on the downstroke to cross your T. Write the letter T in the air. Now, let's practice. The uppercase T stands alone. It doesn't connect with other letters. The lowercase t connects with its smile. Let's write the word talon. A talon is the claw on a bird of prey, like a hawk. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!